How to send USDT from Binance to Telegram wallet. Now first of all, open the Binance app, tap on assets, but before that make sure to log into your account, of course. Now after that, tap on spot. Now here tap on withdraw. Now search for the USDT as you can see. So after you find it, tap on it. Now as you can see, tap on send via crypto network. Now as you can see here, you need the recipient address. So how to get it? Now go back and open your Telegram app. Now here, as you can see, after you open the Telegram app, now in the sidebar, tap on G lines. Now tap on wallet. You can see here to select the USDT. You can search it for here, or as you can see, you can tap on dollars here. So as you can see. So after that, tap on receive. Now here, select the network. If you want to TRC, you can tap on it. Tap on continue. Now here, copy the address from here, as you can see. So after you copy it, go back to your Binance app. And now in the address, paste it here. So after that, select the network as TRC20 as you selected on the Telegram wallet. Now here, type how much you want to send, as you can see. So after that, tap on withdraw. So because I don't have any fund, I can't be able to do that. So for you, just tap on withdraw and complete the process. So this is how to send USDT from Binance to Telegram wallet. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.